What's going on, guys? We're here back in the garage to check out another product, because you know me, I love product reviews. And today I'll be testing out this foaming soap nozzle. Really no name brand about it, nothing too special, but in the end I did look all the way down here. If you can see it, it's Viking Care Products. So that's what I was wondering, because you look on the front, you really can't tell who is making it. I got this at my local O'Reilly shop, but I wondered who made it, so that's, in case you're wondering, that's who makes it, Viking Auto Care. But the setup is very simple. Comes right out of the box after a couple zip ties are taken out. Soap is going to be filled up right here, and it goes just right into the reservoir. Hose clips right on the end. It's going to be plastic, so that's going to be something to worry about. It's not metal, anything strong. And the operation on itself also is very simple. If you look just right up at the top, it clicks on over. It has foam, vertical, cone, stream, and back to foam. So pretty much you can foam it, clean your car, and then you can stream it and rinse it off. So let's go ahead and test out this foaming auto sprayer. Alright, so the thoughts about this product. The soap reservoir is obviously way too small. I had to refill this thing at least 4 times, each per side, just to get a good soaping. Other than that, this down here at the bottom is pretty flimsy. This is going to easily break, and I understand now why the packaging said, do not drop this, because it will easily break. Up on the top, the settings, very nice, but these settings, the high to low, they didn't do much. I tried using this for the soap, but it might be the water pressure. The soap definitely emptied out way too quickly. But other than that, a very solid product. It came out, it was good soaping, obviously a little bit too much soaping, but in the end, I'd recommend this. Is it the best? Probably not, but I will give it a recommendation. So with that, as always, stay safe, ride safe, and always be safe.